Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable trip alerts and reminders on Booking.com account. So first we're going to open the Booking.com app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then here we're going to scroll downwards until we find communication preferences. Then we're going to click on it. Then next we're going to click on push notifications. Then we're going to scroll downwards and click on trip alerts and reminders. We're going to turn it on. So from now on, important updates or reminders about your upcoming trip, including changes and delays, will be sent to your account. So that's the importance of this setting, so make sure you turn it on. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. Such a helpful booking app. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.